Okay, there you go. This is my Crony, which I bought in July 2014, so it took me some time. I'm using a tripod, Sony one, and Sony camcorder. So you have to make sure that the chronograph is open fully. Otherwise, if you don't open it fully, the distance between the first photo cell or photo sensor and the second one, it's gonna be smaller, and it's gonna be having showing like a false reading. Diffuser are installed over there, so it measures the interruption of the light, actually shadow between the first and the second one. See, error because I interrupted, and only one, not the second one, and measures the time difference between the first and second one, and the distance is known. So, and the speed is actually way or distance over time calculated, divided by the time, and that's how it measures the speed. So imagine how fast electronic has to be, and the electrical current, in order to do the calculation. They say on the web page it can measure up to 32 times. Then you have to reset it, turn it on, off and on. And it measures everything: arrows, crossbow arrows, normal bow arrows, the softball, whatever you throw, between 30 feet per second and up to 7,000 feet per second. Sorry about my mess, clearly my addiction, but well, today I'm gonna be checking these guys here. So, two models B2, Chinese one Slavia 630, and one Weihrauch HW 80. My wife is gonna take over, and I'm gonna start with my favorite and most expensive one, German made, 495 feet per second, maximum, or 150 meters. German made, of course, with a safety, of course, nicely checkered. Everything is metal, not everything, but most of it. German beech, really tough, very strong wood. I work with wood, so I know. This thing is rubbery here for the extra comfort. Adjustable trigger, all metal. Only thing what I don't like with this gun, only thing, is basically the front sight, which this part is a metal ring, and of course everything else. But this is plastic. I know it's interchangeable, but still in Slavia it's this also, it's metal. I love a metal piece, so this is really strong gun. See, I'm gonna be using today 3 different. One, Meisterkugel 0.91 gram, 5.5. Yeah, of course, caliber is 5.5 or 0.22 inch. And the Hunter 1 gram, same caliber, of course. I'm gonna start first with the Meisterkugel. They're specific because they have a smooth skirt, very soft and smooth and kind of tight fit. There you go. Safety goggles always. You don't want to take any chances. Eye is very sensitive organ. So let's try. First shot should be aligned in between the bottom and the top one. The red markers I did. 485. 480.5. Okay, another shot with the same ammunition. 491.5. Okie Okay. A little bit awkward. I want to say that the gun, air gun, is very heavy and very strong. The barrel length is 50 centimeters. Accurate, strong, and has a very big impact. 488. Just to show the different ammunition, different style, and different weight, of course, yields different results. One more with this one, and I'm going to switch to another ammunition. This one was error. It sounded like it went a little bit off. $4.95. Okay, I'm gonna try to shoot Superdome now. They're a little bit heavy, 0.94 grams. They have a little bit different skirt, not so smooth. $4.75. Yeah, pretty different. Not much, still shoots pretty good. $4.79. $4.85. Okie dokie. You want to be parallel as you can. $4.88. Now I'm gonna try the Gamma Hunter 1 gram. So heaviest of all three. Kind of similar. Just had the ball point. $4.19, yeah. Heavy ammunition, bigger impact, bigger kinetic energy and penetration, but a little slower muzzle velocity, of course. $4.23.5. That's pretty good. No wonder they call Hunter, because they have a much better impact. $4.46. And we're gonna conclude shooting. $400.2. Maybe one more with the Hunter. That's 1 gram. So it's a double impact of the 4.5. It's a caliber 22 or 5.5. $3.90. One more gram. Good. 4.4. Okay. Empty. Nice. I love this gun. I enjoy it really. Really nice. It's heavy. You cannot shoot with this gun all day long. It's very powerful, but it's a queen. Weihrauch, made in Germany. German metal, German beech. I think Italian design of the stock. It's good. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.